Hello everyone and welcome to this educational video on a very handy key shortcut for Windows computer users. Do you know the Alt plus shortcut Tab? This is an essential tool for quickly switching between different applications that are open on your computer. Whether you are working on a document, browse the internet or chat with friends, Alt plus Tab allows you to instantly switch between windows by simply pressing the corresponding keys. To use it, hold down the Alt key and press Tab to scroll through open apps. Release the keys to select the desired app. Practice, isn't it? Try this keyboard shortcut now to save time and maximize your productivity on your computer. Thanks for watching this video and see you soon for more IT tips.